How you guys doing? So we're back at it again with another S2000 video. We picked up a higher mileage AP2 and we're going to see if it's worth the fix or part out. I'm still in the process of figuring out where I'm going to be storing and working on the Porsche, so I figured this would be a good video in the meantime. Hope you enjoy. Buying zip tied?
Yeah.
Passenger front end impact. You can see that little rail. Took a little tweak. The rest of the car looks really good. This looks kind of curved in a little bit, but the rest of the car looks pretty minty. To this bad girl. Remnants of the front bumper. Fender liner part 2, fender liner part 3. Oh, I probably hit something yellow. What is that? Oh, at least we got a ballast. It's kind of broken ballast, but oh, that kind of sucks. Oh, you're good. Oh, she fired right up. She fired right up, no problem. Ooh, got some goodies in there. So this seat looks a lot better, just needs to get cleaned up a little bit. The driver has that little tear in the center, which might be able to get fixed. Well, it will be able to get fixed. Both airbags blew, so both bags are done. Seat belts are rip, but not a big deal. Center console looks good, just needs a good cleaning. Carpet looks decent. Yeah, top is pretty minty. It's in some kind of aftermarket top, might be a Robbins, but has this kind of like silver or gray thing. No tears in the usual spots, doesn't even look worn at all. So car looks pretty good. So looks like it has the original front bumper on it, original fender on this side, and I cannot tell if this fender is original or not because it got curled back. So original hood too, so original bumper, fenders and hood. So this is 170,000 mile car, but looks like it was his first rodeo, so it's a good and a bad thing. So that VIN number actually looks a little different. So it looks like this door was changed at one point since the VIN's different. So it looks like all the VINs match besides the driver door. So honestly, this one might not have a VIN, so it might have been the driver fender and driver door that might have been changed at one point, so it might have got sideswiped or something. But other than that, it sounds really good. It's a little dusty obviously from the auction, but it sounds so good.
Probably something that somebody actually maintained.
Right, so definitely a nice car for 170K. I mean, the seat's looking in this condition with just a one tear, and that spot's along the seam, so that's an easy fix. But other than that, the car looks super nice. Set of AP2 wheels look good with some Michelin pilot supports. So definitely a possible fix car, but you know, gonna see how much it ran us with considering the mileage and the front end work it needs. It's gonna be an interesting one. Yeah, the frame rails went pretty good. As you can see, definitely got pushed. At least I'd say like
She's a little crooked.
6 inches. Yeah, 6 inches. What do you think? 6 inches that way minimum?
Yeah.
Definitely went about 6 inches that way, which isn't crazy.
Using my perfectly calibrated eyeball.
Yeah. So if it were to fix, it would be basically both fenders, since they're both kind of crunched. Both fenders, front bumper, need some frame work. The hood looks surprisingly fine. Maybe some suspension in the rear, and then the entire set of airbags, seat belts, and new S-Rest module to get this baby back on the road. Hey, let's see if it drives. Goes forward, goes backwards. Not bad. We'll see. So ballast is toast as well. Everything's kind of ripped out. That cover's the only thing that's worth it, but not really worth it. Along with the bumper garbage. I think it's gonna be a part out car just because 170,000 miles, it's gonna be a rebuild title. And people out here, no matter what the miles of your rebuild title is, they think it's only worth 6 grand. So maybe we'll save it. Stay tuned. And as always, be blessed and be superish.